Hello and welcome to Electric Bike Report. My name is Pete and this is the Haibike Radius Tour compact electric bike in for testing and review. This is a really interesting bike. It has the smaller 20-inch wheels, a very small frame, so it's a very agile and compact bike. It has some folding features, so it makes it easier to store in a house or a workplace, and it also has the Yamaha PW5 spring clip right here, so you can put maybe a piece of clothing or a small box and the spring clip can hold that. So also on the back of the bike is a reflector on the rear rack, and then a LED taillight built into the rear fender, and this runs off of the EBIKE battery just like the front light. Alright, so that is the overview of the Haibike Radius Tour. Make sure you check out the full review at electricbikereport.com, and that includes a bunch of detailed pictures